In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to join the Survive Lava for Brainrots server, a Roblox game. First, open Discord on your computer. Then, on the left side menu, click the plus icon to add a server. A new window will open. Here, click on Join a server. In the invite link field, type the server invite code exactly as shown, Lava Brainrot, all together with no spaces and exactly as written. If the code is correct, simply click Join Server. You'll now be inside the official Discord server for the Survive Lava for Brainrot Roblox game. After joining, you'll be asked a question. Just click Finish. You may also need to complete a verification step. To do this, click the verification option on the left side menu and follow the instructions shown. This server uses the Blocks link verification system, which connects your Discord account to your Roblox account. Click the green Verify with Blocks link button, and you'll be redirected to your web browser. If you need help, click Need Help to see step-by-step instructions. Once the verification is complete, you'll gain access to all the server channels. If this video was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel.